Whoa! About a month ago, I was looking on Amazon for some items for my last video. That's when I came across a $349 pressure cooker. This is the Ninja OL701 Foodi 14-in-1 Smart XL 8-quart pressure cooker steam fryer with smart lid and thermometer, plus auto steam release that air fries, proofs, and more. Ouch. 3-layer capacity, 5-quart crisp basket, silver/black. After I was done looking at it, I then proceeded to get ad after ad after ad after ad. And it worked. So now that the box has been sitting in my office for a month, let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna start off the review by saying this box is huge. So I'm literally like standing on this chair and opening up this box. First time pressure cooking. Okay, we're no stranger to the water test. And this is everything that's supposed to be in here. A cooking pot, a multi-purpose pan, multi-purpose baking sling, tube pan, glass lid. Wait, I wonder if those actually come with it. For $349, I freaking hope it does, but we'll see. Holy, that is a lot of stuff. Comes with a little cookbook. Wow, this is like a really big one. Don't put this on a stove or oven. Instruction manual. Holy. First thing here is the trivet, multiple maybe, and now this behemoth of an appliance. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh, this thing is so heavy. Okay, now that I'm sweating, this is the NINJA FOODI. Wow, that's intense. So we've got this rack here that kind of fit over the trivet. I don't know if that's actually how it goes. Unlike the Instant Pot ones, this trivet, it's like very rigid. So I think this is what they're talking about, the 3-layer cooking. I think this probably goes, okay, never mind, that's not what it does. To be continued. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is ginormous. Let's look at all of the features. Here we've got lift here, slide. On the side there is a smart thermometer. Little treasure in here. Wow, fancy. Now we're gonna turn it again. Oh. This looks like a condensation collector, just like the one on the Instant Pot. This is the back of the unit. It's got a lot of venting. And then this is the other side. It's got this little bump out here to keep it from falling over, is my guess, because all of the weight is right here on the lid. Okay, honestly, I'm not even quite sure how this lid comes off. Does it twist? Lift? No, but really. Lift, slide. Oh, okay. You have to slide this over and then lift. Look how huge this is. Okay, we gotta get this measuring tape out and see. It's like 5.5 inches thick. This is what the lid looks like, and we have more treasures inside. This contraption is crazy. This is the air frying basket. There's a little insert. It's not very big. I think it said 5 quarts. And then there's these little fins on the bottom, which I feel like, oh yeah, they're removable. Whoa. Then there's an 8-quart coated liner. This is what it looks like inside the unit. We've got some oil residue from the packing, and this is the lid. I'm wondering if you pressure cook with this whole thing in there, if that's like, that seems interesting. There's a bunch of mechanics in here. There's this little cap that is familiar to my Instant Pot users. Suffice it to say, I am super intimidated. And I feel like this isn't one of those things I'm just going to be able to learn easily, so I'm going to take some time and read the owner's manual. Wow, I just finished reading the entire owner's manual, little quick start guide, and I'm going to make some recipes out of this because holy cow, I'm not sure how to use this thing. So let me sum up what I learned. This is the first time I'm turning it on. So it's telling me to add the pot because the pot's right here. Like, I just want you to see for reference, like how big this is underneath my cabinets. There's like probably 5 inches there. This is locked. So what you have to do is slide it to either the steam crisp setting or this air fry stovetop setting. And then you lift here. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. And then you can open the lid. Add the pot in here. Whoa, do you think it's saying hi? High five? Is that what it's saying? Let's kind of experiment here. So we've got a yogurt setting, a slow cook setting, sous vide, steam, sear saute. Oh, I know, high saute. Oh my, it's loud. So if I do that and press start, high saute, I'm guessing this is how many seconds it's been on. I ended it so then I could just show you what else. So this is a pot, it's non-stick, 8 quart. It also comes with this steam crisp basket, and the basket has this little attachment on it that comes off that keeps it off the bottom of the pot. But when you air fry, you'll want this so then the air can circulate around. It also comes with this 2-layer rack that can convert into a single, like that. You can air fry on 2 levels, and this is the heating element. There is a built-in thermometer, comes with the device, and I'm intrigued by this because you guys know I'm super passionate about cooking with temperature, but one inside the pressure cooker is something that we haven't seen before. If you want to use the thermometer, there's this little guy here in the lid, which this lid is intense. You take this out, and then you're supposed to store it in here while you're cooking. It will not pressure cook without something in here, so you either need this or the attachment. So here we've got this little built-in thermometer. The cord is about 5 inches, and then you can use this to stick into your food. So then you can set the temperature on the device, stick this in your chicken or meat or whatever, and then it will stop when it gets to the desired temperature, which is pretty cool. I'm going to start out with the water test. So I've got a couple cups of water in here. We haven't washed anything, and that's fine. We're just here to see if it works. I'm not sure where to like hold this. There's no like handle up here. I guess you're just supposed to use this. Ouch. Okay, don't use that because it will smash your finger. So I guess you're just supposed to do this. This is the steam crisp. This is pressure. And the cool thing about this one is you can set it to natural, quick, or delayed release. So we can put this on quick release, which means that after it's done cooking, it will automatically vent for us. I'm thinking about dishes that you really need to do a quick release right away, otherwise things will overcook, like broccoli. So I think that would be really nice for when you're not right there waiting for it to finish pressure cooking. I still don't quite know what to do here. So 10, oh, is this a touch screen? Oh, nice. Okay, we're gonna do it to 2 minutes. And do you think it'll go automatically, or do you think I should press start? Whoa, plug in? Oh, you see? I didn't have the thermometer little plug thing in here. Okay, so let's put this back in. I guess that means I've gotta, oh, so heavy. Put this back in here. Okay. Wow, that's loud. So when it says pre, this means that it's pressurizing. While this is going, let me give you some of my initial thoughts. Number 1, I think you've picked up on, it's really big. 20.5 inches wide, 17.5 inches tall, and 15.5 inches deep. And it definitely looks like some kind of space machine. Number 2, it's intense. Like I said earlier, it can do a lot of things. It can pressure cook, steam and crisp, steam and bake, air fry, broil, bake/roast, dehydrate, proof, sear and saute, steam, sous vide, slow cook, make yogurt, and keep warm. Those are the 14 functions that the Ninja Foodi can do, and I'm very intrigued on how this appliance is going to do in every single one of those categories. Right now it's pressure cooking, but it sounds like a fan going in there. You hear that? Just sounds like a fan. So that's interesting. I've never had a pressure cooker sound like a fan before. Number 3, the air frying function. If you've watched my other video on the air fryer lid versus a standalone air fryer, you know that I love and prefer my standalone air fryer any day of the week. My problem with a built-in air fryer like this is that you have to clean so many parts and have this giant appliance out all the time. It does seem like it has a really large capacity, which is nice, so we'll definitely be trying out the air fry function. One thing I'm really excited to try is this steam crisp mode. On this guide right here, there's some recommended uses for pressure cooking like mashed potatoes and pulled chicken. On the air fry side, there's chicken tenders and french fries. And in this middle section is kind of a combination of those two, which they call steam crisp. So basically it pressure cooks and broils or air fries at the same time. They recommend doing potato wedges and a whole chicken. I'm definitely going to be doing that. It also has a lot of instructions. Here's some examples on how you can layer your pot. And I think it's almost to pressure. I'm definitely going to have to read this like a textbook to make sure I know what I'm doing. But my honest thoughts on this so far is that, I mean, it looks nice. It's built really well. It's very sturdy, heavy, seems like a quality appliance. Is it worth $349? That I would not be able to tell you. A standalone 8-quart Instant Pot costs a little over $100 and a quality air fryer costs just about $100 as well. If you don't have the space for 2 appliances, maybe it will be worth it. Okay, now it's counting down. Okay, I like that it's counting down the seconds. If it's less than an hour, it said that it will go in seconds like this, and if it's more than an hour, it will just count down minutes. This appliance has a lot of features that an Instant Pot or other pressure cookers have, like a sous vide, yogurt function, keep warm, pressure cook. Those are all pretty standard features for a pressure cooker. And then the air frying part we'll definitely have to test. But unless the temperature gauge is incredibly accurate and really game changing, and the steam crisp feature like completely changes my life, I don't know, it would be hard to justify the price. This is almost done, so let's go check it out. So I did do quick release, and it doesn't look like it's quick releasing by itself. Whoa! Okay, it definitely did. Now it says that I can open the lid, so then it immediately tells me how many seconds it's been since it's done pressure cooking. We've got to slide this over. This is kind of an interesting, I don't think that's gonna work. It says open. That is not, oh, okay. Wow, that's really hard. Oh my gosh, that is really, what? Ah! Oh my gosh. Is that normal? Oh my gosh. Okay, now it's easy to open. Well, okay then. And it tells you how many minutes and seconds, which is kind of a cool feature. Okay, we'll stop that and turn it off. Okay, bye. In conclusion, I don't know if it's worth it. I'm going to test out the air fry and bake features and see if those are game changers for me. Otherwise, I don't know. This was just my unboxing and initial thoughts video, and so I want to make more videos because I'm pretty intrigued. If you have any specific questions or things you want me to get to, leave me a comment and I'll make a follow-up video. If you have a Ninja Foodie, tell me what you like about it. Leave those in the comments too. And last, if you haven't watched my video on why you're making your Instant Pot hard-boiled eggs wrong, watch this video. Okay, see you next time. Bye.